Welcome to Health Equals Wellness. In this video, we will discover the hidden danger of living in a community after a devastating wildfire that destroys the homes in that community. Stay to the end to discover how you can protect yourself and help those who have lost their homes. Wildfires leave more than charred landscapes and destroyed homes in their wake. They introduce a host of hidden dangers that persist long after the flames are extinguished. This video delves into the often overlooked health hazards, rebuilding challenges, emotional tolls, and long-term risks faced by communities recovering from wildfire devastation. Number 1. Health hazards. Air quality concerns. Even after a wildfire is contained, residual smoke and ash can linger, leading to respiratory issues. Fine particulate matter, PM 2.5, from wildfire smoke is particularly harmful, exacerbating conditions like asthma and increasing the risk of heart disease. Regularly check local air quality reports through resources like airnow.gov. Pay attention to the air quality index AQI levels. 0 to 50, good. Air quality is satisfactory, and air pollution poses little or no risk. 51 to 100, moderate. Air quality is acceptable. However, some pollutants may moderately affect sensitive individuals. 101 to 150, unhealthy for sensitive groups. Sensitive individuals such as children, the elderly, and those with respiratory conditions should limit outdoor exposure and wear N95 masks. 151 to 200 and above, unhealthy. Everyone may begin to experience health effects. It is advisable to limit outdoor activities and wear N95 masks. Toxic materials. Wildfires that rage in cities also burn high amounts of human-made materials, which emit high levels of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and volatile organic compounds that are linked to negative health outcomes. They include asbestos. Commonly used in older building materials, asbestos fibers can become airborne during and after a wildfire, leading to respiratory diseases such as asbestosis, lung cancer, and mesothelioma. Items like electronics, vehicles, and appliances contain metals such as lead, cadmium, and arsenic. When burned, these metals can contaminate soil and water, posing long-term health risks. Water contamination. The intense heat from wildfires can create volatile organic compounds, VOCs, from plastic components in water systems to degrade, releasing harmful chemicals like benzene into the water supply. For example, the 2018 Camp Fire in California led to benzene contamination in the drinking water system, posing serious health risks. The high demand for water during firefighting efforts can reduce system pressure, enabling contaminated water from damaged pipes or external sources to flow back into the clean water supply, introducing bacteria, chemicals, and pollutants. Exposure to contaminated water can lead to acute and chronic health issues, including respiratory problems, skin irritation, and increased cancer risk due to carcinogenic substances like benzene. Ensuring water safety is crucial to protect public health in the aftermath of wildfires. Soil and ash hazards. Burned ash from burned structures may contain hazardous substances, including heavy metals like lead and arsenic, which can be carcinogenic. In dry conditions, this ash can become airborne, leading to respiratory issues and other health concerns for nearby residents. Intense heat from wildfires can cause soils to become water repellent, a condition known as hydrophobicity. This reduces water infiltration, increasing surface runoff and elevating the risk of flash floods and debris flows during subsequent rainfall. Cleanup activities. While clearing areas contaminated with ash, the Centers for Disease Control states it's crucial to exercise caution. Always wear an N95 respirator, gloves, long-sleeve shirts, and long pants to protect your skin and respiratory system. This is essential to prevent irritation and potential health issues from ash exposure. Due to these hazards, it's crucial to exercise caution during post-wildfire cleanup efforts. If exposed, individuals should wash the affected area and seek medical attention if necessary. Number 2. Rebuilding challenges. Financial constraints. Homeowners may face difficulties with insurance claims, including insufficient coverage or policy cancellations due to increased climate risks. The expenses associated with rebuilding can be substantial, often exceeding initial estimates and placing a heavy financial burden on residents. Structural instability. Fire-damaged trees and buildings may be unstable, posing physical dangers during cleanup and reconstruction. Falling debris, scattered nails, and hidden ash pits can lead to injuries. Regulatory hurdles. Navigating building codes, environmental regulations, and insurance claims can delay rebuilding efforts, prolonging displacement and increasing stress for affected residents. Securing the necessary permits and adhering to updated building codes can be time-consuming and complex, potentially delaying reconstruction efforts. Number 3. Emotional and mental health toll. Psychological distress. The trauma of losing one's home and community can lead to long-term mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, alcoholism, and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Studies have shown that wildfire survivors can experience elevated rates of PTSD and depression, with symptoms persisting for months or even years. The loss of social networks and community support systems exacerbates feelings of isolation and grief, hindering emotional recovery. Rebuilding these connections is crucial for mental well-being. The destruction of homes exacerbates existing housing shortages, leading to increased competition and higher rental prices, which can displace long-term residents, which can cause anxiety, depression, sleep disruption, and hopelessness. Research shows a year after disasters, up to a third of people who've directly experienced wildfires have some sort of psychiatric diagnosis, which can affect your physical health. If you're finding that your functioning is impaired for 2 weeks or longer, and depression is persisting, or you can't sleep at night, seek professional help. Even a few counseling sessions can go a long way. Number 4. How to help. Offering a safe place. If you can invite someone into your home with no expiration date, and just be there to help them process what has happened and to help problem solve the road going forward, it can go a long way in helping them feel safe. It can benefit both their mental and physical well-being, helping with practical action. Rather than issuing a vague offer to help or asking your friend if they need anything, focus on making specific offers. That might mean bringing them face masks that will help protect against the smoky air, clothing, food, toiletries, games, or other entertainment for their kids, or even a bag of dog food. Offering transportation is another way to offer practical help. Offering to be there and make it clear that your offer to help won't expire. You might say something like, "If you need something, please let me know. It doesn't matter if it's today, tomorrow, or 6 months from now. Let me know. And if I can't do it, I'll try to help find someone who can." Road to recovery. Recovering from a wildfire extends beyond physical reconstruction. It requires addressing the multifaceted health, emotional, and environmental challenges that survivors face. By understanding and preparing for these hidden dangers, communities can build resilience and support systems to better navigate the long road to recovery. Sometimes going through a devastating disaster can feel like too much to endure. If someone tells you they no longer want to live, point them toward the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. It's available 24/7 via call, text, and online chat. Thanks for watching. If you benefited from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for helpful health insights from Health Equals Wellness. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to share this video with someone you know who would benefit from this information.